we we have to find the area of the triangle PQR. Okay. The first thing we observe here is that we are given the coordinates of the vertices of P and R, but we are not given that of Q. For us to find the area of this triangle, we need to know the coordinate of the vertex of Q. And from this, we can easily see that Q is on the x-axis, meaning that the y-coordinate is 0. So we are saying that this Q, the coordinate will be A. We don't know the value of A, 0. On the x-axis, y is always 0. So our main aim is to find A. Once we know A, we can get the area of the triangle. And again, to make this solution easy, we can see that PQ is the diameter of this circle. As you can see, center O. From Thales theorem or inscribed angle theorem, you know that this must be 90 degrees, making our triangle a right angle triangle. So it's easy once we know the base and the height. Once we know this length PR and length PQ, we are good to go. Okay, next is to find distance PR. So PR is now equal to square root of change, which is 5 minus 4 squared plus 5 minus 1. So we have 36 plus 1 is 37. That's square root of 37. We need to get the value of A. So we know that the slope, that is 5 minus 4 over 5 minus 1 will be equal to minus 1 over 5 minus 0 over 5 minus A. Perpendicular lines, that's the slope of 1 is the negative reciprocal of the slope of the second one. That's to get the slope of L1 is the same as minus 1 over the slope of L2. That's what I did here. So this is 1 over 6 minus 1 over 5 minus this. That's, if we solve for A is now equal to this 5 over 5 minus A, that is A is equal to 5 plus 5 over 6, which is 35 over 6. Guys, if we solve for A, that's what we get. That's the slope of one line is the negative reciprocal of slope of the other one. So we've gotten the value of A. Therefore, to get the distance PQ, RQ is now square root of 5 minus 0 squared plus 5 minus A, that is minus 35 over 6 squared. So this is 5 squared plus minus 5 over 6 squared, which is, we know both of them have, this is the same as 5 over 6 squared. So if we bring out 5 squared, we are left with 1 plus 1 over 36. So square root of 5 squared is 5. 1 plus 1 over 36 is 37 over 36. So square root of 37 is square root of 37. Why square root of 36 is 6. Therefore, the area we are looking for triangle PQR is now equal to half times the base times that the base is PR, which is root 37 times 5 root 37 over 6, while which is the same as half root 37 times root 37 is 37 times 5 over 6. You get root 37 times root 37 is 37. So why this 5 over 6 is 1 over 2. So this is 37 times 5 is 185 over 12 square units. So that's our area, 185 over 12. Thank you.